Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am reviewing Revlon, the One Step Straight and Shine. I wanted something a little different, and my hair can use some help. If you are interested in knowing what I think of it, whether it's worth your money and so on, please keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe and like so I can get motivated to do more of this video for you guys. So please keep on watching. Okay, so let's get into it. This is what it looks like. This is it. This is the brush. The brush seems pretty strong. It is a little stiff, so it might snap, so be careful, but it looks definitely way stronger. Originally I was considering getting the Blowdryer brush, but what I noticed with a lot of people reviewing that is the bristles on the brush are too thin. I'm sure if you have a straight hair and you don't need too much tagging, that's fine. I'm sure you can make something out of it, but for curly hair I feel like it will snap easily, will bend, and so I think the amount of money you pay, it's around 60 to anywhere 60 to 125. If you're spending that much money, I don't think it's fair for you to not use it at least for a year. And I've gone to Ulta and I've touched all of the variety brushes that they have. Most of them are unfortunately really thin, and I don't recommend that. So this is a heated straightening brush. What I would say in order to treat this as a blow dryer is do it on a dry hair, low heat, and and go from there. And if you want to treat it as a straightener, I think you can go high. It goes up to I think 450. Obviously try not to go to 450 a lot. Depending on what your hair type is, they will let you know at what temperature you should use it, which I thought was very considerate of Revlon to do that. I would make sure you do your research. Always safe to start with low temperature. So without further ado, I'm gonna go plug this. Yeah, hopefully I don't fry my face. There's the on and off button. I'm gonna press it. Right now it's at 250. It's heating up. Let's see if I'm gonna increase it. Okay, right now it's at 310. Please don't blow. And please snap my face, fine, get my hair, but just not my face. Anxiety.
Go crazy with sectioning, but I'm gonna take a little part and then go from there. Yesterday I washed it. This is just washed and brushed, and I let it just air dry. So that's what it's like. If this freaks you out, there are some people who have electricity fear. If you have electricity phobia, I don't know what you call it, but be careful. The noise, I wish it didn't make noise, but it does. Unlike a hair straightener, you can hear it, and you feel like you're about to go and then fry your hair. I'm praying. I don't know, I think it'll flush when it's ready. This is kind of magic, I ain't gonna lie, you know what I mean? But
I don't remember what I was talking about or right here, but I think I was just overall talking about healthy hair. And if you want to have healthy hair, obviously, you have to put on protective style, make sure you mask and do certain things. I'll make another video about it if you guys want to know what my healthy hair routine is. Obviously, I also, I'm not 100% natural. I do certain things. I color it sometimes and so on. But if you guys want a detailed video about that, I'll be happy to make it.
I guess just talking about healthy hair in general, I know a lot of people who tell me like, well, if I had your hair, I'll wear it out all the time, or I'll straighten it and but it's all about balance in life, and too much of a good thing, it could be it could be an issue too. So for me, not straightening it or not wearing it out always is a way of I protect my hair. You guys too, like, yeah, have fun with it, but protect it also. Of course, if you want to maintain a natural hair, but you don't have to. Natural hair could be a lot of work, whichever is easier for you. If you rather keep, if you're more comfortable with working with wigs or braids, it's up to you. If you feel more comfortable with natural hair, at the end of the day, it's just the hair. But to me, it's like a form of self-care to care for my hair. I'm realizing, again, you'll be tempted to pull the hair out while it's plucked. Make sure it's fully cooled. If it doesn't want to straighten, don't freak out. This is worth your time. You can wear, it's like blow drying instantly. So for us, it's a lot. Just make sure your hair, your natural hair, is dry after being washed. And like I said, this helps you brush it so you don't, but detangle, make sure it's detangled, and so on. So I'm going to part a smaller part. I'm gonna increase the temperature at 450 and then see if it can straighten it. It feels pretty well blow dried. My roots don't feel as blow dried because I didn't get closer. I'm going to try get closer, but I'm gonna take a smaller section and then see if I can really see if you guys are able to straighten your hair with this. I'm gonna have it on 430 and I'm gonna see if it can really straighten it. Hopefully it doesn't burn it, but that's why I'm doing it from the back, This is straighten it at 450, but honestly this will give you a fast like that closer to straightening. So if you can use this and then follow up with a good straightener, it's like you giving yourself a fast blowout and then following up with straightener. The time you can't beat it. Straightening it is gonna be so much easier. This can get more hotter, you have more control of the temperature. The bristles aren't weak. They're comfortable to hold, easy to hold. Let me say no more, okay? Alright, so it's at 430. It's smelling. You guys see? It's smoking. First I would if I were you, I would blow dry it on a low heat. And then if I want to go with high temperature, remove all of the hair and then go with high temperature. So this really, it does get hot. Look how hot it is. So now I'm gonna go, Lord. Alright, this is at 430. Wow, magic. It's a scary feeling because you're getting really, again, this is a big section, so I'm forgiving the amount of past that I'm doing, but don't do this every day and want that healthy hair. All right, I'm gonna stop because I'm nervous, but I say do smaller section if you really, let me try smaller section, smooth and straightly. But again, it's not bone straight, it's giving me more of like very, very well blow dried hair. So this is going to give you amazing twists out and so on, but I wouldn't go over and over, try to make it bone straight. Yeah, it says straightener, but treat it like a blow dryer. This is a very good, okay, I lied, wait. You can go a little slower, I guess. I'm a little rushing. Alright, so. Obviously, the more you do it, the more it feels like straighten. I'll lower it to 2 colors, and you're getting this incredible blow dried. Imagine if I go over it once with a straightener, I'm already there. You know what I mean? And then oh my gosh, it's just so nice. It feels amazing. And I didn't even heat protect spray. It's bad. Okay, so this is half blow dried. And I can definitely, there's completely 2 different textures. Look how shiny this looks at 450. And look at this at a lower temperature, and also their brushes are not fine enough to get every strand. So I would say you treat this as a really nice blow dryer, and again, for the price, it's worth it. My hair lengths past my boobs a little bit. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe and like and comment, and I'll see you guys with new content soon.